Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. Today we're going to take a look at an Echo CS-590 Timberwolf chainsaw. The customer complaint is that it's not oiling. So we're going to dig into this thing a little bit here. Just make sure that it's going to be a worthwhile repair, right? We're going to pull the spark plug out, look in the cylinder, and make sure it's clean and not scored. While he's pulling the spark plug out, let me open with a joke. What's the difference between a wolf and a marine biologist? You don't know? One wags its tail, the other one tags a whale. Okay, we put our spark plug back in. Cylinder looked good. So what do you call a wolf that works as a lumberjack? A timber wolf. Hence the name of our chainsaw here. So let's start digging into the oil pump area and see what's going on. Things look pretty clean in here. I don't know if the customer got involved in cleaning this up or not. And the feed hole in our bar looks good. What time is it when 10 wolves chase a deer? Well, it's 10 after 1, of course. What did the big bad wolf do after his workout? That's right, he huffed and he puffed. So we look into the oil tank just to see if we got oil in it. And apparently we do. We're going to fire this thing up and see if it's oiling or not. What's a wolf's favorite kind of pizza? Pepperoni. Yeah, that one's kind of lame. Where is that thing?
Oh, come on now. That ain't even bullshit. That's horse shit.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if this thing even starts, eh? So we weren't getting any oil. We're going to have to dig into the oil pump here to see what's going on. What's more amazing than a talking wolf? A spelling bee. It's amazing. How do wolves eat their food? They wolf it down. Alright, I don't know if this is an authorized Echo clutch removal tool, or if it's a Husky tool, or if it's a generic tool, but it got the clutch off of there. I guess that's all that matters, right? What do you call a wolf with a fever? A hot dog. What do you call a cold wolf? A chili dog, of course. Things look pretty bad in this oil pump area. Look at all the gunked up oil residue. And whenever I see this, I suspect that they have been running biodegradable oil. Any of my customers that run it, their saws come back looking like this. It just seems to cook onto the hot parts of the engine, and it's kind of tough to clean. In some cases, I can't clean it. I don't know if somebody knows a product that'll loosen it up and get it off of there decent. Let me know, because I have to manually scrape the stuff off usually. What happens when you cross a wolf with a sheep? You have to get a new sheep. Okay, here's our oil pump. It's underneath all that gunk somewhere. I can see the feed hose. Look at this stuff in here. It's just thick. The difference between biodegradable oil and petroleum oil is pretty significant. And then there's two hoses. There's an inlet hose from the tank, and then there's an output hose to the bar. We'll have to get those disconnected. Why did the wolf go to the smoke shop? He wanted to find a pack. Why don't wolves make good dancers? They have 2 left feet. Think about it. They actually do have 2 left feet. Okay, we have our oil pump removed. See that I kind of got it cleaned up, but I really would have liked to get more of that stuff out of there. This was a combination of a plastic scraper and carb cleaner. We'll drop our new oil pump in here. What was the wolf in the butcher shop arrested for? Choplifting. I know, they're stupid jokes, that's the point. What do you call a wolf that knows it's a wolf? A werewolf. Alright, let's just bolt this pump down. Where do wolves store their things? In a warehouse. Where else? Alright, we're going to clean the little bit of dirt I got on the crankshaft there before we start assembling the rest of this. There's a washer, a flat washer that goes on first. And then our oiler drive gear that the pinion, I guess. What do you call this piece here? Oiler drive pinion thingy majabber. Yeah. This is a very technical operation we got going on here. We put the thingy-majabber on and then the whatchamahoosit. Get our clutch tightened down. We'll grease our clutch bearing. Get that in place. And then when the drum goes on, you have to make sure that the 2 slots in the drum straddle that oiler thingamajobber worm drive. And then we'll install our washer and E-clip. Let's see if this thing's gonna pump oil now. That's all I got for you on the Echo CS-590 Timberwolf oil pump swap. Thanks for watching. Later. What What do you call a wolf that uses bad language? A swear wolf. What's a wolf's favorite time of year? The holidays, of course. I hope that's all of them.